set. That's enough. Stable. Speed low. Knots. 100, 110, 120, V1, and rotate. Now push forwards to pick that 15 degrees. There's our positive rate. Here I'm pushing forwards. That's it, get the nose down. Get the nose down, that's it. There you go, there's our 15 degrees. We're now going to pull back a little bit so we don't drop any further.
Where do I need my black spot?
So we want that 15 degrees. So pitching up a little bit, that's 12 and a half. So pitching up a little bit more, there you go, about there.
On that white line
That's
there.
it. But remember, you've got a climb command on the moment. We've got to take that climb command off, otherwise it'll go past it. So you've got to just push forward a little bit. That's it. We'll start left turn when you're ready.
Oh, I'm going down. Shall I pull back?
That's it, a little bit of back pressure. Just a bit, that's it, that's good.
This one in the turn.
And that's a nice turn. So you just want to put your hands central again now, otherwise you'll put yourself into a tighter turn. That's it, pitch up a bit more. That's it, keep that going. You're going to take it up to 4,000 feet.
Can't see my altitude. Oh, 4,000.
That one there.
Oh, so then up to 4,000 on there.
That's it, pushing the nose forwards a little bit. It's coming up towards your 4,000, so we've got to push that nose down quite a lot. Really push it down. Push it down, really push it. That's it. Go on to the 5 degrees, there's your 5 degrees coming up, so we now got to pull back so we don't go past it. That's good. We can start straightening up. So round your right. Trying to get that magenta line now underneath your solid white line, so it's just coming up to it now. Round your right, keep going right, really push around now, push forwards, levelling off the 4,000, so round to right, get it level, round to right, and push forwards, stop the climb. Pushing forwards, keep pushing forwards, push it down, pushing against the power at the moment, and right turn, tending to be a little bit left-hand heavy, so we keep putting ourselves into a left turn. Most people tend to be heavy-handed one way or the other. Just trying to get that. So we're just picking up a little bit of ridge wind there as well off the edge of the coastline. That's it.
Nice straight.
So I don't know if you can just see your airspeed is jumping up and down, the aircraft's bouncing around a bit. This is that ridge wind I was on about, just pulling the cold air in off the sea. It's rising up in the warm air and it's doing that on the way back out, and we've just got caught up in it. So we may get it on the approach. So a little bit of left now, get it level.
Bit out of control it felt there.
A little bit of left. That's just that ridge wind. Updrafts that got you there. Okay, now pitching up, back up to 5 degrees of pitch.
Am I pulling my nose up?
Yeah, 5 degrees of pitch.
Is that fine?
So keep it level, so you've got that left hand down again, so we need to straighten up. So just looking out there, get that nice level out there. So pushing forwards, we're on 10 degrees there, a little bit more right, so we're still going, that's it. Now push down a bit, 5 degrees of pitch, pushing forwards, a little bit more to your right. Straighten up. So just try and look out there and fly by that horizon line. You'll find it'll fly smooth. You can see we're turning at the moment, so we need to just straighten that horizon line up.